Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to create files using command prompt. In the Windows search bar, type cmd. Click on the command prompt from the results. The command prompt window will open on your desktop. To create files on the desktop, first we need to move into the desktop folder. So type cd desktop. Now you are inside the desktop folder. To create an empty file, type null greater than symbol letter.txt. A file named letter.txt will now appear on your desktop. To add text inside this file, type echo hello world greater than letter.txt. This will add the content hello world to the file letter.txt. To add more text without replacing the existing content, type echo space the text you want to add greater than letter.txt. This will append more text to the file letter.txt. To create a text file and add multiple lines, type copycon notes.txt. Now type as many lines of text as you want. When you're finished, press Ctrl Z and then hit enter to save and exit. This is how you can create files using command prompt. Thank you for watching.